Alright guys, so we have a GE Advantium microwave and we're using a non-contact volt tester, and we're using this right now. I'm just checking voltage, pretty much just checking out the pen. What we're going to be concentrating on, those are all good lines, making sure they're 120 volts going there. But the issue with this microwave is it's not heating. So obviously you want to check your door switches, your monitor and whatnot. You want to make sure those are good. So right now we're checking high voltage, right? As you can see, the unit is off and you shouldn't have anything going to them. You do have on the low voltage side, which is the power going in. That's high voltage, and there's nothing. So we're going to power the microwave on shortly, and you will see that the high voltage side. Now the high voltage is the transformer, the magnetron, and of course the capacitor. So we're going to do a quick start here. As you can see now, all the high voltage wires are energized. We have power going to them. That tells you the transformer is working. The capacitor is energized. Here it is. So if you have this condition and you're not having a heat, change the magnetron. Yes. Replace the magnetron and you should be good to go. As you can see, let's do a recap. Unit is still running, and you can see power is going to the magnetron, and it still wasn't heating, so we know fault is the magnetron. Thanks for watching.